model, 2017 Ford Transit spares OR repairs belt snapped. Open mouth smile. Body, white, fridge working in good condition. Mileage, 113368. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped. Easy fix on these belts snapped. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, air con, parking sensors, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,550. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on